Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden entryway tables design ideas for modern home decor and income generating. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. In the ever-evolving landscape of interior design, the entryway has emerged as a powerful space, both symbolic and functional. It is the first impression of a home, the threshold where the outside world meets the intimacy of domestic life. Within this transitional zone, few pieces hold as much purpose or potential as the entryway table. Crafted in wood, this humble yet impactful furniture item becomes more than just a surface. It transforms into a statement of intention, hospitality, and aesthetic values. The profound significance of wooden entryway tables lies not only in their role in modern home decor, but also in their lucrative potential as a woodworking craft for artisans looking to balance creativity with commerce. At its core, the entryway table is about presence. It anchors the entrance, offering a focal point that welcomes guests and homeowners alike. In many ways, it is the handshake of a house, the first gesture that speaks of what's to come. When thoughtfully crafted in wood, that gesture becomes warm, grounded, and timeless. The natural grain, the weight of the material, the texture under the fingertips, these elements collectively set the tone for the space and the values it reflects. For modern homes, where minimalism often meets eclecticism, a wooden entryway table offers versatility. It can be sleek and contemporary with clean lines and light finishes, or rustic and nostalgic with distressed wood and organic shapes. It can feature live edges that showcase the raw beauty of the timber or incorporate drawer pulls and inlays for a refined look. Whatever its design, it always plays the same essential role. It creates a sense of order and occasion. It provides a designated place for keys, mail, a vase of fresh flowers, or a cherished photo frame. It suggests that life inside the home is intentional, curated, and cared for. For woodworkers, this makes the entryway table a deeply rewarding and smart project. It hits the sweet spot between complexity and manageability. It is large enough to be noticed and appreciated, but compact enough to be built in modest workshops without requiring industrial-scale machinery. This balance makes it an ideal project for artisans looking to elevate their craft or transition into creating pieces that are both artistically fulfilling and market-ready. The profitability of entryway tables lies in their universal appeal. Almost every home has a front entrance. Almost every homeowner, regardless of style preference, is looking for a piece that brings function and aesthetic harmony to that space. That demand creates a wide-open market. Whether the table is sold through an online platform, a local artisan market, or commissioned for interior designers, it rarely needs justification. People understand the need for it. What makes it desirable is the execution, the craftsmanship, the design, the story behind the piece. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. And this is where the wooden element becomes essential. In a world flooded with laminate and plastic, real wood communicates authenticity. It carries character that cannot be faked or mass-produced. Each entryway table made from wood has its own fingerprint, unique grains, knots, and tones that tell a story. When a customer runs their hand across the surface and feels the smoothness of well-sanded oak or the richness of dark walnut, they are not just buying a piece of furniture. They are investing in material integrity and the human effort that shaped it. Artisans also benefit from the creative range this project offers. Entryway tables allow for experimentation with design elements, shelves, drawers, floating silhouettes, built-in charging stations, or reclaimed wood compositions. These creative variations not only enrich the maker's process, but also expand their catalog, making it easier to cater to different price points and customer preferences. A simple minimalist table can serve as a budget-friendly option, while a more intricate version with custom joinery and premium finishes can command a higher price. Additionally, Entryway tables provide a natural canvas for storytelling. Whether the wood was sourced locally, repurposed from an old barn, or salvaged from a family heirloom, the narrative can be embedded into the marketing. Buyers love knowing that the table they place in their home has a past as rich as the future they'll build around it. Sharing this journey on social media, in product descriptions, or even engraved into the wood itself can deepen emotional connections and drive customer loyalty. From a maker's perspective, building entryway tables also strengthens core skills: precision, proportion, finish, and design thinking. These are essential competencies that prepare artisans for more complex projects. As such, the entryway table is both a final product and a training ground. It is the kind of piece that refines a woodworker's ability while simultaneously enhancing their brand's presence in the home decor market. The small footprint of these tables also works in favor of logistics. They are easier to ship, display, and deliver compared to larger furniture items. For makers selling online, this means reduced shipping costs and safer packaging. For those participating in local shows or running pop-up shops, it means being able to showcase multiple styles without taking up too much space. Each table becomes a visual ambassador of the maker's style and quality, inviting customers to engage, inquire, and imagine the piece in their own homes. In terms of modern lifestyle, entryway tables respond to current needs more than ever. With the rise of remote work and multifunctional spaces, homes have become hubs of activity. The entryway is no longer just a passage, it's a checkpoint. A well-designed wooden table in that space becomes essential for managing daily rhythms: dropping a wallet, charging a phone, storing masks, organizing reminders. Its role is subtle, but it brings calm to chaos, beauty to necessity. In this way, the entryway table embodies the very philosophy of modern woodworking: function married to form, simplicity enhanced by story, tradition expressed through innovation. It speaks not just to how we want to live, but how we want to feel when we arrive home. Wooden entryway tables carry profound significance, not only for the homes they transform, but for the artisans who create them. They stand at the intersection of artistry and utility, offering a project that is rich in design potential and commercial viability. They welcome, organize, and elevate. They teach, challenge, and reward. In every beveled edge and polished surface, they remind us that even the simplest furniture can hold a world of meaning. For modern homes and modern makers alike, the entryway table is not just a piece, it is a presence. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden entryway tables design ideas for modern home decor and income generating. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.